got a good one today. There's issues inside the unit, but this is the first repair that needs to be done. So we're gonna cut it off and put in a ball valve over here. The meter is over there in the street, about to kill the water. Alright, so because the water is continuously running from the meter, can't get it to stop running over there. Can't really solder this piece. So, thank God I got this guy. So we're just gonna press it in real quick. Alright, now we're gonna test for leaks. So we're turning the water on. And our job is all the way over there. Alright, successful install over here. The water is on.